Somebody in this room at some point wanted to give up. Somebody in this room is struggling the same way that these young people are struggling today. So this removing of the mask started because I realized that I wasn't the only person who did not receive social emotional support, and then realizing throughout my years of working with young people that young people are still wearing the mask. And I know the internal harm that it did to me, and I refuse to allow it to happen to another young person if I have the opportunity to be in their life. This community here should be able to lean on each other when it gets hard. BPE gives you the opportunity to inspire at least one young person. You will not walk inside these schools wearing red capes. You will not have superpowers, but the one thing that you can always give your students is love. You can always make sure that that student hears the words, I love you, I see you, and I hear you.